I am not able to apply different material on the surface even after following every step shown in the tutorial video. You are not able to apply different material on a surface. What kind of surface you are talking about? I'll showcase a short demo. Uh, Let me open a project. So basically, what can you do is you can use the modeling tools. I hope you are familiar with that because you are asking about applying different materials. You can first subdivide your face. I mean the polygon face. You can subdivide into two parts or many parts, and then you can separately apply the materials to it. Okay, we'll showcase that to you.
Yeah, so you'll basically be using the paint tool to paint the different types of materials that you want to paint on the
Yeah.
different faces that you want. So just have to keep on adding it, and you have to make sure that you apply it, because if you don't click on the apply button, usually your changes get reverted back. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, you have to use the material edit tool,
yeah,
right? That can be used as well. Let me quickly get one map. Okay, so what I will do is I will add a simple mesh. So with the modeling tool, I'll create a box right here. Okay, just bring it up. I will. Okay, so this is that box. Okay, I just accept it so that this box is now placed in this scene view. I'll go to wireframe and check, or we can just click on material edit. Okay, so will be somewhere. So material ED, just click on it. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we have, so this line separates two faces of this polygon. So you can apply a different material over here and a different material over here, right? So if you want to separate this more, you can just use subdivision, right?
right.
Or you can also use a polygon edit tool. So let me just quickly check. So polygon cut also you can do, cut this into more pieces, right? So I want to cut it from here. So after you cut this, and let us check with the material edit. As you can see, now it has more faces, right? So that's how you can then get a material from here. Let me just extend this. All right. So materials right now. So how many materials you want to apply to this polygon, right? So there is 6 different you can apply, because there are 6 different polygons on this space, right? So you can add how many as you want. And then from here you can get any material from your project. Okay, I'll get any of these, right? And I mean the materials are little different in this project, but yeah, you can have different materials, right? And after that you can select these, and you have to select active material. Suppose this active material I want to select, and then after this I'll just click on assign active material. So as you can see, this is the active material for this phase. Okay, you just have to click accept. So as you can see, so this is a cube, and then I have applied.
And the reason the other faces have this other material is because by default it chooses the index 0 material
Yeah,
to
yeah,
apply by default on all the other faces if you
yeah.
don't select. So that's why index 0 gets applied by default on the entire material.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, you just have to choose the active material. Like over here, this thing is important, active material. So out of three, which one you want to select right now? So this one, then I will paint the things that I want, right? And then I will just click on assign active material. Okay, and then click accept. So as you can see, this is how you can change the materials. All right, cool. I hope you understood the query.